Hey everyone, so this will be a pretty quick unboxing here of the brand new iPhone 15 Plus. This is the green color. Let's see, it's all green all around this thing. All the words are green. Every edge has something green on it. So this is the green one. We will come back to this in a moment. It's probably pretty hard to see in this video the actual color of that. Of course, we have our paperwork and then a sticker, Apple sticker. And now, of course, one of the big things with the new iPhones is it is USB Type-C, no longer the Lightning adapter, so that is cool. This is actually braided. That is also cool. That is a nice cable. So it is such a light color. To me, all the colors remind me of like Easter colors. That pastel. The darkest thing is going to be on there. It's a little bit of a darker green. But yeah, that is a nice color. Take that off. First impression too for weight is it doesn't weigh too much. Unlike the Pro versions of these, which were already sold out. Today's the day after release. Today's the 23rd of September. They got released yesterday, the 22nd. At least in my area, they're all sold out for the Pro Maxes. And you'd have to get one delivered or keep checking back on their website. Yeah, so this is a super nice color. I wasn't so sure about it, but I do like it. It is kind of like someone made a comment in one of the other videos I was watching on it. It's kind of like a mint green. So, alright, stay tuned. We'll be doing a whole bunch of videos on this to come. Mostly comparison videos like normal. Speed test comparisons. Let me know what you guys think of this color. Yeah, it's a little bit harder to see, of course, in video. In real life, though, it is it's like a white green. It's a very pastel green. It's very nice looking, though. Alright, guys, thank you all for watching. As always, I really do appreciate you. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.